Greta is transforming the way apps and websites are built by turning simple prompts into full-stack, launch-ready platforms without a single line of code. Whether you are a developer tired of boilerplate or a non-technical creator with a big idea, Greta gives you the tools to move from concept to live product in minutes. All it takes is a short prompt describing your idea. Greta then auto-generates the layout, structure, and content, giving you a fully functional application ready to go. From landing pages to SaaS platforms, you can build it all using Greta's AI-driven builder without getting tangled in code or complex integrations. What makes Greta stand out is its rich library of customizable user interface components. Need chatbots, payment systems, onboarding flows, or analytics dashboards? Greta has ready-made blocks you can easily adjust to fit your brand and functionality. Goals: you can build personalized, professional-looking apps that align with your vision fast. Greta does not stop at the front end. You can connect your full tech stack effortlessly. Integrate with Stripe to accept payments, link Supabase to handle your backend data, or plug in your email marketing tools to automatically update contact lists. The platform also allows direct connection to GitHub, so you can sync projects, edit code visually or via AI, and push changes with one click. This makes Greta ideal for creators who want to launch quickly while keeping full developer control. Whether it is building MVPs, internal tools, or client projects, Greta delivers high-quality results with speed and flexibility. The AppSumo lifetime deal for Greta starts at $59 with monthly credits, prompt-to-app generation, custom domain support, and deployment. Higher tiers unlock more credits, GitHub integration, Supabase support, and advanced scalability tools. With a single purchase, you get access to the entire development pipeline. Forever. Greta is more than just a builder, it is a launchpad. For creators, if you have an app idea and want to skip the long development timeline, now is the time to try Greta. With AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee, there is no risk. Click the link in the description to grab your Greta lifetime deal and start building the future today.